Hello there, it's Sev from Three Counties and welcome to the video guide for the Dometic fridge freezer model number, well this is RMS 8406 in particular, but any that has this panel on the front. In this guide I'll show you how to use the fridge freezer and what all the buttons and things do. So this fridge freezer is a three-way fridge freezer and we turn the unit on by pressing the power button just here and we give it a hold in. And it should turn on like so, doing a lights check so we can check if there's any faulty LEDs, and then the unit is on. Now first of all we can choose the energy source by pressing the left and right arrow button or symboled arrow buttons here. So first of all we have, if I cycle across, there we go. First of all we're going to select the plug symbol, which is mains electric operation. Okay, if I press once more we go to automatic, but I'll come on to that in a moment. The next option is going to be 12 volt, and you can see it's got a problem. It's beeping at us, telling us there's a problem. It's also highlighted the warning triangle here as well. The battery symbol will confuse you. We're not going to be taking 12 volt power from a battery ever with this fridge freezer unless it's completely wired in differently. Normally this is looking for a 12 volt feed from the engine's alternator because this is the driving option, remember. So this is for maintaining your temperature in the fridge freezer when you're on the road. So at the moment the engine is not on, so it's not finding any 12 volt power when I select this option. So that's why we have a fault there. Now the 12 volt mode is only powerful enough to maintain the temperature in the unit when you're on the road. It's not capable of actually cooling down or reducing the temperature. So please only use mains electric or the other option, which is gas. Okay, now when on the gas position, you just leave it on the gas. It's a self-igniter. If it has a problem igniting, it will respond in pretty much the same way as you just saw on the 12 volt mode there, telling you there's a problem. Otherwise, that's it, we're on gas. Now, mains electric and gas operation are the primary ways you should use this fridge freezer, okay? And they're the ones that will cool it down. And then when you're on the road, you choose the 12 volt option to keep the temperature maintained. Now, again, as you saw at the beginning, we do have an automatic option and it's chosen mains electric here. So this will automatically choose the best option for you depending on the vehicle's configuration. But of course, you do have manual selection as well. Now, what we then also have is a temperature select button, so we can increase the amount of LEDs here. The more LEDs we have, the colder the unit is going to try and get. And that's basically it. And to turn off, we just press and hold the power button there. It's as simple and as easy as that. And that's basically it. That's how you use this model of Dometic fridge freezer. I'm Sev. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you very much for watching.